Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? We have revision Arabic evaluation. Inshallah this one test very easy. I hope you ready to solve this one evaluation. Inshallah very easy. I explain to you now how to answer this one evaluation in your notebook. You should write your name, your grade, your section, your subject. Okay? This one start from question 1. Question 1, you should answer direct answer. No need write anything or direct answer. Letter A, write letter B, letter C. Okay, يعني read in English and then translate for Arabic and write Arabic A, B, C. Okay. Question 2, separated the letter. Question 2, separated the letter. The first one, number 1, isba. Number 1, isba. I want separated the letter inside this one squares, or if you don't want to draw squares, no problem. Just write letters, separated letters, okay? Isba, separated letter. Number 2, baqara, separated the letter. Number 3, arnab, separated the letter. Number 4, ibriq, separated the letters also. Number 5, bab, separated the letters. Very easy, okay? Question 3, match the following. You have pictures and you have words, okay? I want, yani write for picture A, choose number, suitable number for word and write number here. Picture B, choose number and write here. Number C, choose number and write here. Number E, choose number and write here. Picture A, nose. Picture A, nose. Picture B, rabbit. Picture C, cow. Picture D, door. Picture E, finger. Write correct number and put it with letters. Okay? Question 3. Write in English. Here, write in English. Write number 1, anf. This one, anf, I want write in English. Number 2, babe. I want write in English. That's all. That's how to answer this one evaluation. I want this one Arabic book, page number 6. Arabic book, page number 6. I want read and write every word. Read and write every word and separate it. Read and write every word and separate it, but you can dictate it only arnab, alif arnab and anf. Dictate it only alif arnab and anf. Arnab and anf, okay? Page number 8. Page number 8. Read and write every pictures and write Arabic English in your notebook. Okay? And dictated Baqara and Bab. Dictated Baqara and Bab. Barraya. Basal, onion. Bab, door. This one dictated one. Bab, door. Baqara. Baqara, cow. Dictated one also. Keep it in your mind. Okay, this one very important. Now we are revision here. This one, letter alif. Here, letter alif. This one, alif. Anf. Anf. What is the meaning anf? Nose. Nose. How I separate nose? How I separate nose like this one? ألف نون فاء أ أنف أرنب أرنب. What is the meaning أرنب? أرنب rabbit. أرنب rabbit. أرنب أنف أرنب أنف أرنب. How I can separate أرنب؟ ألف راء نون باء أرنب rabbit. أرنب rabbit. Okay, this one for ألف. Study this one very important. Okay, letter B. Letter B. باب. باب. What is the meaning باب؟ door. What is the meaning باب؟ door. How I can separate door؟ باء ألف باء باء ألف باء. Okay. بقرة. بقرة. Bakara means cow. How I can separate cow or bakara? باء قاف راء تاء مربوطة. This one بقرة. باب. باب means door. Separate باء ألف باء. بقرة means cow. باء قاف راء تاء مربوطة. Remember أنف. أنف means nose. أنف means nose. How I can separate nose? ألف نون فاء. إصبع. إصبع means finger. إصبع means finger. إصبع means finger. How I separate finger or إصبع؟ ألف صاد باء عين. إبريق. إبريق. إبريق means jug. إبريق means jug. G. How I can separate jug؟ إبريق ألف تحتها همزة كسرة. ألف كسرة باء راء ياء قاف. إبريق. أنف. أرنب. 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 What is the meaning أرنب؟ أرنب rabbit. How I can separate أرنب؟ ألف راء نون باء. Every word separate like this one. This one separate letters. Okay. This one join or connect word. Okay. This one word for letter ألف. Word for letter ba. بقرة. What is the meaning of بقرة? Cow. How I can separate بقرة؟ باء قاف راء تاء مربوطة. باب. How I can separate باب؟ باب means door. Separate this one. باء ألف باء. بصل. بصل. بصل means onion. بصل means onion. onion. I separated بصل باء صاد لام. براية. What is the meaning of براية? Sharpener. How I can separate sharpener? باء راء ألف ياء تاء مربوطة. That's all. Remember ألف أنف nose ألف نون فاء. E إصبع finger ألف صاد باء عين. E إبريق jug ألف باء راء ياء قاف. ألف أرنب rabbit ألف راء نون باء. بقرة cow باء قاف راء تاء مربوطة. باب دور باء ألف باء. بصل onion باء صاد لام. براية sharpener باء راء ألف ياء تاء مربوطة. I hope good luck for you إن شاء الله. Evaluation is very easy. See you next session إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم. باي باي.